In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Claude and use it effectively. To get started, open Claude and head over to your settings. This is usually where Claude keeps account preferences, tools, and connection options. Take a moment to look around so you know where everything is because this is where the setup begins. If you're using a desktop browser or app, the layout may look slightly different depending on updates, but the general idea is the same. You're looking for the area where Claude manages external connections. Once you're in Settings, find the section for connectors or integrations. This is the place where Claude lets you link other tools and services so it can work with your content more directly. If you don't see Notion right away, just scan the list carefully. The goal here is to locate the integration options and confirm that Claude supports connecting to your Notion workspace. When you find Notion, choose it and begin the connection process. This step usually launches a permission flow that links the two platforms together. Just follow the prompts on screen carefully. It's a good idea to move slowly here so you understand what access is being requested and what the connection will allow Claude to do. Next, sign into Notion if prompted and allow the necessary workspace access. This is an important step because Claude can only work with the content you explicitly authorize. Make sure you review the permissions before approving them. If you manage multiple workspaces in Notion, double check that you're granting access to the correct one so Claude can reach the content you actually want to use. After that, select the pages or workspace Claude should be able to access. This helps you stay organized and gives you more control over what Claude can see. In many cases, it's best to start with only the most relevant pages instead of granting broad access immediately. That way you can test the setup in a more focused and secure way. Once the connection is active, you can begin using prompts in Claude to read, summarize, or organize your Notion content. For example, you might ask Claude to summarize meeting notes, pull out action items, or help structure information from a project page. Clear instructions usually lead to better results, so be specific about what you want. Finally, always review Claude's output before applying any changes. This is especially important if Claude is organizing or interpreting important information. Take a quick pass to confirm the summary is accurate, the context makes sense, and nothing important was missed. That final review helps you get the most value from the connection while keeping your Notion content reliable and well managed.